Hello, this is Bug News, and today we're going to talk about Wendy Osefo's status of her current case. As many of you know, that she and her husband will appear in court, or allegedly appear in court, on November 7th. I guess I'm not sure for criminal cases, but maybe it's just to lay out some facts. And if you haven't heard, with some of these other YouTubers, TikTokers, Instagrammers, and whatever else, they've been going around and blog posters, and they've been going around and saying that Wendy, is requesting information, and they're spinning it as illegal arrest. Basically, what she's doing is called discovery. And now, if it was an illegal arrest, it's going to come out on the 7th, and then she'll come out with a motion. But what a lot of people are not discussing are two key facts. One, when Wendy and Eddie were arrested, they didn't list any lawyers when they made bail. I thought that was really strange. I mean, I'm not a person who's an expert on the processing of a person being arrested in court and making bail, but I thought that was strange. So now Wendy has a lawyer, a legal team, two people, and one person is considered a crisis manager. So, with that being said, they're probably trying to do certain things, and they have years of experience with the legal system. But Eddie hasn't had a lawyer yet. Now, a lot of people don't know that Wendy's sister, who happens to be a doctor, a podiatrist, but her husband is an attorney too. Okay, but he ain't related to Eddie. So I guess what we're trying to find out who's going to be Eddie's lawyer. And it appears that they're both separating. Well, maybe they want to be tried separately. Maybe that's a strategy, which will put more stress on the state, on a county that may not have the skill set to handle this case that just went international. So, with that being said, we'll see how this plays out. This is Bug News. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and don't forget the Cash App. Thank you very much.